So from the previous video, you remember, at home I tried to explain how to make, from my point of view, the correct way of drop shot rig. Always the first cast I try to make far away as possible. Why? To understand what's going on from the far away, step by step, where I'm staying. Here, you'll see what's going on. The wind is gone. Now it's the weather perfect. This is the bite. Come on, let's do it. Yes! That's it. This is the fish. Hi everyone, my name is Vadim Lazitsky and my fishing about fishing in Cyprus Bass Guide. Okay guys, here you are as usual. Enough chatting at home, let's go fishing. So from the previous video, you remember, at home I tried to explain how to make, from my point of view, the correct way of drop shot rig. It's very popular and very important in bass fishing tackle. So you have to know how to do it and how to use it correct. Last time I show everything in details, what the hook number, what the bait, color, the distance. So today, time to check and try everything on water. Okay, I'm in daytime actually, quite windy, but for the bass fishing it's very good weather, let's say. I'm not sure about fishing, because really I'm trying here from the last 2-3 months, first time. And you know, in Cyprus, because the water level and the weather, everything changed very quickly. So you don't know what's happened tomorrow, you don't know what's happened today. So same with the bass fishing. Okay, let's do it. Let's try first cast. This is my drop shot rig, the slug, 3-inch size, number 2 hook. And here the distance 70 centimeters and the weight 16 grams. I'm gonna make first cast to understand what's going on the bottom. And of course we are waiting for the bites. Always the first cast I try to make far away as possible. Why? To understand what's going on from the far away, step by step, where I'm staying. Where is the deep, where is the shallow water, and actually the structure of the bottom, to understand. If I will find something interesting on the bottom, too far or too close, I will concentrate more, especially on this spot. But first cast, always try to make as soon as much you can, far away, let's say. With the weight 16 grams, okay, in this wind I mentioned before, we can use like 20 grams and sometimes 25. It will be more easier to make cast long, far away. But my normal size is 16 grams, so I didn't change nothing. If I need it, the wind will be more and more stronger. Sure, I will change it, but for now it's more than enough. I feel very good. The bottom structure is the stones, big and small stones. It's a very nice structure actually for the bass. But where is the fish? We will see. If the fish here, I will check few spots today. Sure. You see, it's very important this technique, because our bait, it's always on the bottom 70 centimeters, to keep our fishing rod, the spinning, in this position. Not like this, not even like this, every time like this. And make the pause. So I make 2 times by the reel, or you can do it like me, just with the rod, and then you stop and you don't feel it. Okay, then you stop. But all the time it's very important in the drop shot fishing to keep your rod like this, in the sky, let's say, simple words. I want to remind you guys one more time, of course it's many opinions, and you have for sure your own opinion about the bass fishing, about maybe drop shot trick, how to use it better, and many bass fishermen in the other countries. Everything what I show you now and everything what I'm using is from my personal experience. So guys, this is, let's say, not a big secret, but what I learned from many years in Cyprus and what is really effective and works better. For some people, sure, for the beginners, they can learn too much from me. From other people, maybe they know everything and they don't need my help. But anyway, let's do it. Let's just enjoy fishing and see one of technique of the bass fishing. Why no? Okay, the first cast, no bites. Okay, I found a very good spot actually. I will try here. We'll see what's going on. The wind is gone. Now it's the weather perfect because it was quite cold wind actually, guys. You know, it's the temperature is like you know, it's summertime, but sometimes this wind on dams, you know, where you staying all day. Okay, let's try this spot because the previous just one bite and that's it. I didn't find the fish there. Okay, I wasted time. I'm wasting time there, but just half an hour, I think, maybe more, around 40 minutes. Just I get one bite, that's it, and I have to change the spot. Here it looks nice structure, and we will see in such structures like the hard bottom that I mentioned before. This is the places where usually bass stay. So I believe we will find here the bass, if everything correct. Because we are with a jig, we are with a drop shot rig. I'm continuing fishing, just a drop shot today. Just to show you this technique, how it's working, how it's useful. And I have to find the bass. I have to show you the fish. Because later on somebody will not believe me and they say, yeah, Vadim, come on, the drop shot not working. You show us everything, but where's the fish? So when I catch some bass, you know, to enjoy. Okay, let's see. It's a bite. I think it was like a bite. Strong. You see, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Yes, this is the bite. Come on, let's do it. Yes, that's it. This is the fish. There's a drop shot. I found him. Finally, yeah. That's it. Not big one. Now this is the fish. Yeah. Right. I found him. Good boy. Oh, good one. Too much. My bait inside. You see. So guys, what are you gonna say? Just give me a second. I need just give me a second. I will take out the bite and we'll see. All right, guys, see the first fish. Actually, it's a second bite. The first I lose. Not big bass, around 600 grams, I think so. The thing is, very quickly I moved from one spot to other spot. As soon as I found the good structure, I mean the hard structure, I used the same techniques, the drop shot, and I show you from the beginning, and the second bite, and I get it. Nice one. Actually, it's the first fish today, and the second bite. I'll make some few photos, let them go back home with this guy, and we can turn on fishing. Nice start. So is drop shot working actually, that I told you from the beginning. Nice technique. All right. So the first fish was bass actually. I spent quite like 40 minutes to fight him in my spot where I'm start from the beginning. I expect to find fish there, but something happened and I spent there like half an hour, no bites at all. Fish gone somewhere, and then I check another one
and then another, and third spot, very hard structure bottom. It's quite deep here and not too far. You saw it, huh? It's very nice bite, like 2 times, pause 2 times, and the third one I got him. Okay, I will see, I will check this spot again. I hope it's not the first and the last fish. It's very important, especially with the drop shot techniques. If you find very nice structure and if you have the first fish, definitely somewhere will be other one. It's a matter of time and the matter how cast you are, how is correct your cast, how you doing movements and everything. Because sometimes for sure stay fish, but you're losing because you're doing your casts on the left, right, and not correct spot many times. And before I remember I used to take part in a bass competition in Cyprus like the years ago, like 2 years ago, or something. So like I found one spot, I catch one bass, then 2 or 3 shots again, and I'm left. And the guy, after 5 minutes in my spot, he catch a good fish. So you see, I missed in my spot correct direction. Actually, I remember where is it with the bite, somewhere here. So okay, let's check. I will see what's going on. I hope it's not last one, but it's good news. So the bass liked my techniques today, drop shot, and it's really worked. Okay, it's usually short fishing. I don't like to fish too much like some guys, they spend whole day. I prefer like 3 hours maximum, but 3 hours very useful. I mean, concentrate in good spots with the correct bait and so on. Just to walk whole day, unfortunately guys, I don't have a time, you know, to spend a whole day from 8 a.m. until night. Some people do, I know. Okay, I see you see outside of the water it's rocks, so it means I'm always looking back on my back what's going on here. For example, here's the rocks, so I have to be continuing somewhere. So I will check exactly in front of the rocks. I will see now, not too far. I'm not casting too far because don't need it in this situation. It was quite deep as well. And here it's not deep, few meters. You will see I make the cast now. I think it's a bite. Oh, it was a bite, and lost it, guys. Keep going. Okay, the wind is gone finally, so I have just 20 minutes, and I want to try with the popper, guys. I stop continuing fishing with a drop shot. Of course, if I'm gonna stay with the drop shot till the end, I have a chances to catch, because I have 2 bites as well. But it's very good opportunity, and I really like popper fishing, so I want to try just few casts.
Okay guys, that's enough for today. I think I make a big mistake, because you see such lovely places and I have to stay with the drop shot till the end, but I changed to the popper and the bass not ready here for the popper and no bites, and I have to finish. But anyway, a few things about today, a few tips, that finally I found the spot and the drop shot really worked. I lost one, I lost another one. Of course, it's not perfect fishing, not so many, let's say, basses that I expect today, but few fish, just few fish, 1, 2 lost, that's it for today. I expect more, really, guys. Honestly, I expect more bites, but something wrong, I don't know, depends on the little water level. But anyway, we checked drop shot, I show you how it worked, and a really useful technique. So take care, guys, put the likes and sign on my channel. Okay, see you, bye bye.